Good morning, students. On today's lecture, I'll cover one of the question of ADMATS 4037, paper 1, October-November 2005, and question number 5. It's also a relative velocity question, but it also have a particular question in the concept of relative position. Okay, let me read the question. The diagram, which is not drawn to scale, shows a horizontal rectangular surface. The corner of the surface is taken as the origin O, and I, J are unit vectors along the edges of the surface. So eastward direction is I, and positive this direction is I, positive up is J. Now the actual question states that a fly F starts at the point with position vector I plus 12J. So I plus 12J somewhere over here. Okay, so this is actually the initial position of the fly. That's given information. Given, okay, fly is position vector I plus 12J. Okay, what I plus 12J means is I, 1I this side and 12 like that. It's 1, 12. In Cartesian plane, that's 1, 12. The x coordinates is 1 and y coordinates 12. It's written in ij form, 1I plus 12j. This is initial position of the flies. Okay, and cross across the surface with a velocity. The velocity of the fly is given 3I plus 12j centimeter per second. Okay, this is centimeter. At the instance that the fly starts crawling, okay, when it starts crawling, a spider S at the point with the position. So position of the spider, initial position of the spider is given 85I plus 5J centimeter. This centimeter from O, the origin O. That's x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Sets off across the surface with a velocity. So velocity of the spider is given minus 5I plus kj centimeter per second. Okay, and where k is a constant, given that the spider catches the fly. Okay, calculate the value of k. Now this is very important. This phrase over here, the spider catches the fly. When two moving object crash or meet or catch, something like that, that means they are at the same place at the same time. Think for a second. You are in these coordinates. Now, if you want to meet somebody at this point M, okay, you want to meet somebody at point M. Then, if you are at 10 a.m., both of you, that person and you are at the same place at 10 o'clock, then you can meet each other. Okay, but if you go there later on, if that person is not waiting, then you cannot see it, or at the same time, if you are in different places, you cannot meet that. Okay, so to catch the fly, the spider and fly has to be on the same place on the same time. Okay, keep that in your mind. Now, since according to the question, since the question says the spider catches the flies, then I'm gonna say final position of the fly equals to final position of the spider. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Now to do that, any object, any moving object, let's say A, okay, its final position of A, I can say that its initial position of A plus velocity of A times time. Okay, so we're going to use this formula over here. So initial position of the flies was 1 plus 12j, and then its velocity was 3I plus 2j, and t, let it be time let it be capital letter T. Now for the spider, okay, initial velocity, initial position of the spider was 85I plus 5j. Sorry, I don't have any space over here. So plus, it's minus 5I plus kj t. And then I can simplify this one, I plus 12j plus 3ti plus 2tj equal to 85i plus 5tj minus 5it plus ktj. Now since I have I here, I can take I common. So it's going to be 1 plus 3ti plus 12 plus 2tj, and here 85 minus 5ti plus 5 hold on a second. Yeah, there is no t. Okay, that's 5i only. So that's gonna be 5 plus ktj. Now equate the coefficient. On the left hand side I have I over here. That's coefficient of I, and on the right hand side coefficient of I, and on the right hand side, on the left hand side, coefficient of j is this, coefficient of j is this. So equate the coefficient. Say equate the coefficients. I have 1 plus 3t equal to 85 minus 5t. If I bring this over here, so 8t equal to 84, then t equal to 84 divided by 8. Okay, and 12 plus 2t equal to 5 plus kt. So 12 plus 2 times 84 by 8, replacing the value of t, equal to 5 plus k 84 by 8. Okay, so this one 84 by 8, 10.8, 84 by 8, that's 10.5. So this is my 10.5k, and if I bring this one over here, so 12 plus 2 times 84 divided by 8 minus 5, so that's gonna be 20. That's 28 divided by 10.5. So k equal to 8 by 3, or that's gonna be 2 by 3. That's the value of k. They're asking to find out the value of k. So this is the value of k. Okay, that's my answer. Look at this question. Then you would understand the position, relative position and relative velocity of this particular math. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video, another relative velocity one with unit vector. See you guys, have a good day.